a guide for those who don't. Lavax.
Hi, yes, I'm talking to you. Welcome to Lavax. Before you start messing with my machine, I have to ask, do you know how to do your laundry? No? Well, you're in the best hands. I'll teach you. You should know that Lavax is eco-friendly and saves up to 3 water jugs per cycle. Plus, it's very easy. The power's in your hands, well, on your phone. You brought it, right? First things first, you need to download the Speed Queen app on your phone, whether it's Apple or Android. Also, there's a QR code right behind you on the signage to help you out. Once you have it, sign up or log in. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you get alerts about your cycle. Now, add the location pin. Look for the poster that says, How to Pay with our app, and it will be in step 3. Enter that code into the app, and you're all set. Next up is to take out your wallet and top up your balance with a card. Depending on the amount you add, the Speed Queen rewards you'll win. And yes, there's also a poster about that. Now let's do some laundry. Now you're really ready to wash. But first, you need to separate all your clothes between dark, light, and colored. What we want to avoid are white shirts turning pink. Oh, and very important, check the care labels so you don't ruin them. There's a poster that explains what the icons mean. Let's continue. Find an available washer and load your clothes into the drum. Add them one by one, stretching them out and checking the pockets for objects or trash. Watch out, that's never going to wash. You need to leave space so the clothes can wash well. There's a maximum and minimum arrow, and always without shoving in the clothes. All set. Now, what are you doing? No, the detergent is added automatically and it's 100% biodegradable. You don't need to add more.
I don't think it'll be a problem. My clothes are very dirty.
On the contrary, if you add other soaps, it will stain them.
What if I add softener?
Nope, not necessary.
I know, a bar of Zote.
No way, that's worse. It will damage the washer.
So, I shouldn't add anything at all?
Nothing at all. Your clothes are in the best hands with Lavax. Where were we? Oh yes. Now close the washer door. Check that it closes well or it will display the EDL1 error. See the number of the washer? Open your Speed Queen app and look for it. Click to activate the machine. Now it's time to select the cycle. You'll choose based on how dirty the clothes are, what type of garments they are, and the water temperature. There's more information on the Guide for the Best Wash poster. To finish, press Start on the machine. It's the green button. In your app, click on the machine again and turn on notifications if you want it to alert you before the cycle ends. All set, you can go run other errands. See you here when the cycle is done.
I'm back.
Perfect. It's time to take your clothes out of the washer and load the dryer. Use a cart to make it easier. Always check the washer's drum before you leave. Make sure there isn't a single sock.
All clear.
Very good. Leave the washer's door open to prevent bad odors. Now find an available dryer and clean the lint filter. It's right on the edge of the drum. Start loading the dryer with your clothes. Place them one by one without throwing them to prevent wrinkles during drying. Check the care labels again for any garment that cannot go in the dryer. Then, close the door and choose the drying cycle on the control. These range from high heat to no heat. Depending on your clothes, you'll need to choose the right one. Check the Guide for the Best Dry poster for more information on the cycles. Now, in the app, find the machine you're using and activate it. With the slider, choose the drying time you want. We recommend around 30 to 40 minutes. Finally, press the Start button on the dryer. See you again when your clothes are dry and ready to be folded. Don't take too long to avoid wrinkles and free up the machine. Hope you heard me.
It's almost done. Just a few seconds left.
Just in time. And just like that, you've mastered laundry the easy, fast, and eco-friendly way.
Thanks, Lavax. I never thought doing laundry could be so cool and easy. See you.
Hey, but leave the cart.
Oh, sorry.
It's for exclusive use inside the laundry.
I'll leave it.
No problem. Welcome to the new era of doing laundry with Lavax. And remember, friends, no Zote, no detergent, no softener. With Lavax, you have everything. If there's any problem or malfunction, scan the QR code and we'll help you. See you next time. Lavax and Speed Queen. Smart laundry for a smart life.